Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a vlog for my car. So it's first time buying a car, and that's me signing away my soul. Oh my god. But would you look at that car? Oh, so sunny. Like, oh, wow. Look at it. I'm so excited, guys. I was screaming on this part of the video, so I just muted it because I know that sound just irritated me. Anyways, I'm about to talk now. Bye. Hi. So I am doing my car vlog today. Oh, the sun is shining. Okay, so I bought a car and I want to show you guys my car. Wait a minute. Let me put my shades on because woo-wee. You guys see my car? Totally with the wrong moto. Okay, I'm walking towards my car that I bought myself. Okay, I'm gonna show you my car now.
It's me next to my baby.
Okay, people are gonna think I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself, but you guys need to see this car. Welcome to my car. This is a Mazda CX-5 and I love it so much. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know anything about cars, but you guys can see in here is the steering, everything. You can see, as you can see. Okay. Show you what's in here. Look at it. I think it's so deep in here. I can put a lot of stuff. Okay. And close. Shit. Oh my God! Senya more shamanj. Hey. Okay. All leather seats, baby. Oh my God, the sun is shining so bright. Okay, as you can see, the inside, I don't know anything about cars, so I can't tell you. Oh yeah, it has sport mode. I don't know what that is, but I think angazi uthi yenzani ke sport mode. Let me unlock it so I can show you guys the behind, not the behind, but the back seat. All leather seats, and then also heated seats. Also, wait, no, that's not it. What am I doing? Oh God, I wanted to open this thing with my nails. I can't. Okay, it has obviously the stuff to hold the drinks and stuff, and then it has USB cord so people can charge their phones back here without disturbing me. And as you can see, the sun is shining bright this way. I should probably go the other way. Hold on. Let me go the other side. Oh my God. Alright, this is much better. Okay, as you guys can see, everything is leather. I don't even know how. I think the seats are warmed from the front. Okay, as I was saying, the cup holders, a USB port to charge stuff in here, and gotta close it back up. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you guys the front from this angle of the passenger, because once you come in my car, that's all you are, a passenger. And all this video is clear, but you guys can see everything is nice and clean. Well, I have to buy the vacuum thing for the front. It has like the navigation thingy. And they told me it had heated steering, but it doesn't, so they lied to me. Fucking hate these people. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back now. Okay. Wait. Is it unlocked? Wait a minute. Okay, it is unlocked. So this is the boot. So one thing that I like here is, as you can see, the space is big. You see that, right? Yeah. Okay, so here is the thing to put down the seat, and here for the middle one, for the other one. So all those back seats go down, so that if you have like a lot of stuff that needs storage, you can just and then you can bring it all back up again. And then in here I have the tire, which I have absolutely no idea how to put it together. Okay, I'm gonna have to YouTube how to put a tire, but you know what, I'll never trust myself. So I have the 24/7 roadside assist, so they can come help me if I need help with the tire. Oh wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Just need to press the button. Hey! Okay, I need to open the front, but I'm having a hard time. The other day I tried to open it, but it wouldn't open. Oh no, I have to open it from the... Okay, in case you didn't see it well the other time. So here is my car. So I need to open the boot so I can show you guys the engine, but I can see, how do I open this? It's not opening. How do I do this? Yo, what's it? Hey, bro, guys, what's going on? How do I open this thing? Is there somewhere I have to press still? Guys, I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna ask somebody that knows cars because I'm struggling. Anyways, so you have seen my car. Now it's time for me to get inside and try to see if today I bought the phone mount thing. It's not here yet, but once it gets delivered, hey, let me see my car vlog. Anyways, I don't even know how people do the car vlog and it's for 40 minutes because I'm struggling as it is right now. Oh, but oh, I want to show you the best part. The best part of this car. Okay, so obviously, wait, I need to put the car on. Okay, I want to show you guys when I put the car on. So I want to show you guys when I put my car on, because guess what? Anyways, there you go. It's on now. It's playing Christmas music. As you can see everything here. Oh my god. And then, so wait, I mean, you know this part. So this here opens kasama. Get on top of this. So This is now
Visit optimum.com/mobile, your local
open.
Optimum store, or call 8776-OPTIMUM. Get
I'm
closer
burning!
with Optimum.
I'm burning!
Auto pay required.
See me now.
2+ months of service with unlimited
Oh God.
$300 savings applies. 36-month bill credits on eligible phones.
See me now. Ugh, the sun is fucking irritating me. The sun is irritating me. I'm gonna take some selfies from this position. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. So, why is this sun doing this to me? Huh? Put these on. I want to give you guys the point of view. My car mount thing is gonna come. I'm gonna take proper videos. What the fuck is going on here? Okay, now. Okay. Pardon. Oh my god. Woo! Ke rekile koloi, la utlwa re ke reng. Ra ke time koloi. Ke tlo fetsa battery. My god. You guys need to prepare to be sick of me. Because prepare to be sick. To be sick. Prepare to be sick. Angutla. I'm so happy with this car. I love this car. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a Mazda CX-5 year 2018. You know, by second hand nyana sisilo nje. Kuri hele naena. Hey, please guys. The sun. I want to show you the last time my car before I walk away from it. Before I walk away from this car. Anyways, that will be all from me today. Goodbye.